I'm going to be assembling a 500 wall cabinet here. It is always advisable to assemble your unit on a piece of cardboard. This protects the side panel and the front edge of the unit when you're moving it around. Please read the assembly guide because there is a lot of information on here that will be helpful when assembling your unit. On the front of the assembly guide it tells you what panels you have in the box, what hardware is required and the minimum tools required to get the job done. You lay your end panels out like this. This enables you to have a right hand end panel and also a left hand end panel. These metal dowels are really good because there is a red sleeve around them that enables you to hold them while you're screwing them down, making sure that you keep them upright. The actual cam works by turning it like that and it pulls it together, making a very strong joint. Take your metal dowel and you screw it into the top edge of your panel, making sure the drill's going the right way. So that's those 8 put in. You then take your hammer and you actually gently tap the wooden dowels into the holes. Don't tap them too hard because you might puncture them through. It's literally tap until the sound changes. And you repeat that for all 8. The next thing is to put your hanging brackets onto the unit. Now your hanging brackets are these. You have one for your left hand end panel and one for your right hand end panel, and then using the 4 25mm screws provided, you screw your brackets into your end panel and there are 2 pre-marked holes in each end panel. The next piece is to fit your cams. The cams themselves have an arrow telling you which way they should be put in. This arrow should always point to the outside or raw chipboard edge of your panel. So you put it in like this, click. The next thing is now to put the top panel into your unit. Making sure that the groove lines up, put it in like this, gently tap it down. Do the same for the base panel, again groove to groove. At this point, you need to slide your back panel in. So taking your back panel, put it into the 2 grooves, making sure that the cutouts, this cutout is at the top of the unit corresponding with your hanging brackets. Slide it in like that. Take your last end panel, putting it on your unit like so, tap it down. You then tighten up your cams, 4 on the base panel and 4 on the top panel, and that is your unit assembled. You have 2 of these wall hanging brackets in your box. When you fix these to the wall, they actually go on the hangers here like this, and that's what holds your unit to the wall. There are 2 types of adjustment on this wall fitting. The top screw pulls the unit in or out, and the bottom screw moves it up or down. Each wall unit has 2 shelves. To make sure you don't lose them, if you put them into the bottom of your unit prior to hanging it to the wall, you'll know where they are, make sure they're safe, and they won't get damaged or lost. Once you have the unit on the wall, you then position the shelves at the height you require and then fit the doors and the handles.